Everyone, welcome to Rising Sun Primary School online classes. Myself Arvind Tomar, I am your computer teacher. So let's start with today's topic MS Word 2013. Today's topic MS Word 2013 class 6. Okay. So let's start. Bulleted and numbered list can be used in your document to outline, arrange, and emphasize text. Okay. Bulleted and numbered list can be used in your documents to outline, arrange, and emphasize texts. What are the advantages of writing items as a list? What are the advantages of writing items as a list? First advantages, the list help us to easily remember instruction. It also help us to check if we have completed all tasks. Okay. Next, list list like our names in the attendance register are in alphabetical order. Okay. List of participants for running race can be rearranged accordingly. Yeah. List can be organized in multiple ways. List can be organized in multiple ways. One of the ways to arrange item in the list is in alphabetic order. This helps us to find the required information quickly. Next, since the order in which the item listed are to be done in important used numbers. Okay, using bullets and numbers. Bullet as and numbers used. Okay, so bulleted list have bulleted option, bulleted of points. Numbered list save numbers, and outline lists combine numbers and letters depending on the organization of the list. Organization of the list. This icon, this icon is used to bulleted. Okay, for bulleted and numbered option on the toolbar. In the toolbar, you can found icon for bullets and numbering. Just right click the mouse near the names entered and found the bullets and numbering options. Okay. First of all, bullets. You use bullets when making lists. So this is a bullet. This is a bullet. This is a bullet. Okay, this is a bullet and this is a bullets. Okay. To create a bulleted list, to create a bulleted list, first of all, select the text you want to format as a list. Text, select the text you want to format the as a list. On the home tab, go to on the home tab, click the drop down arrow. Next to the bullets command, menu of bullets style will appear. Go to the home page or next to the bullets command, a menu of bullets style will be appear. Okay. Next, move the mouse over the various bullet style. Move the mouse various bullets styles. A live preview, a live preview of the bullet style will appear in the document. Select the bullet style you want to use. Okay. The text will be formatted as a bulleted list. Okay, the text is formatted as a bulleted list. Next, to use a symbol as a bullet, to use a symbol as a bullet. select an existing list you want to format. On the home tab, go to on the home tab, click the drop down arrow next to the bullets command, select define new bullet from the drop down menu. The define new bullet dialog box will appear. Click the symbol button. The symbol dialog box will be appear. Click the font drop down box and select a font. The Bindings and symbol fonts are good choices because they have many useful symbols. Okay. Next, select the desired symbol, then click OK. The symbols will be appear in the preview section of the define new bullet dialog box. Click OK. The symbol will be appear in the list. The symbol will be appear in the list. Okay. Next is multi-level lists. Multi-level lists. Multi-level list allow you to create an outline with multiple levels. In fact, you can turn any bulleted or numbered list into a multi-level list by placing the insertion point at the beginning of a line and pressing the tab key to change the label of that line. You can then use the multi-level list command to choose the types of bullets or numbering that are used. Okay, so to create a multi-level list, first of all, place the insertion point at the beginning of the line you want to move. Okay. Second, press the tab key to increase the indent level of the line. The line will move to the right. Okay. For example, move to the right. Okay. To remove numbers or bullets from a list, select the list, then click the bullets or numbering commands. Okay. To change the level of a line, first of all, place the insertion point at the beginning of the line. Press the tab key to increase the level. Next, hold shift and press tab to decrease the level. Okay. Decrease the level. Okay. That's all for today. If you have any doubt or query, you have my mobile number. Please call me. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.